angled cuts. You can see you have that one, that one, that one, and that one. It's out here in the extreme weather, well not extreme, but it's the worst case, full sun, full elements, wind and all that. So I really don't expect these to take, but I'm getting fed up with them, and I'm thinking the more I do, you know, the better chance I have of having one take. So something's better than nothing is where I'm going. Okay, I'm out here at this plant again. I'm very surprised to see this. This one is perked back up. They were all like this or worse. This one is perked back up. Looks like this one's perking back up. And the big one here is definitely perking. This was, you know, we're so bad it was starting to rot a little bit right here, but it's back up and looking real good. I'm very, very happy that it looks like some grafts are taking. That's a good thing. Okay, here's my grafted plant now. I want to show you a close up here. This had a little rot in the area where it was really wilted, and I put a piece of quarter-inch tubing here and zip ties just to keep it from bending since I moved it back in the greenhouse. Over here, excuse me, you can see the graft union there, and obviously the nice growth up top, so that's doing well. And then let me carry you over here to this one. You get a real good close-up of the graft right there, and it's looking really healthy too. So I did get 3 to take on this plant, and that's what they look like right now. Okay, here's the grafted tomato today. We're a little farther along. You can see the graft here. Let me see if I can take it over here. I'm gonna even bring you in closer from the top. There, and the one over here. They're starting to get pretty dense with foliage. Let's see if you can see that. And then of course the big one here. If you follow it up, you can see that I've got a tomato cluster here. This one's starting to open, and this one's starting to open. Okay, this is the grafted plant. I've got 3 different plants of Lacey grafted to it. You can see one of the grafts here, one's here, and the other one is over there. And we've got some fruit coming on here. So we'll see how it goes while we're gone. We leave tomorrow. Today's the 14th, tomorrow's the 15th of October. We're gonna be gone for 3 weeks, and we'll see what it looks like when we get back. Okay, we're back off of vacation. Today's the 5th of November, and I got my plant back, my grafted plant back from Mike, next door neighbor. And it doesn't look like there were really, maybe 1 or 2 small tomatoes developed while I was gone. It's really hard to tell, but you can see down there that some of them are growing pretty good. And I cleaned it up a little bit, and I started the wrapping process here. We're back in my grafted plant here, and I believe I brought this in here around the 5th or 6th, and today's the 18th. But I noticed something really curious as I was looking here, because I'm about to take those, and I noticed that this is setting another baby tomato. So let me cut this one. It's going to just fall. You see there. And the same with these 2, because I'm going to chew on them. I'm going to eat them rather, but they don't have to be unbruised. Okay, so there's the 3. So let me grab, oh, I hit the camera. Let me grab these 3. I'm going to carry them up there off my deck. Let me point the camera down a little bit. Alright, there we go. Still recording. So let's do that. And make sure it's in the camera here. There you go. And just like I expected. Oh, what happened here? Let's cut. I see some seeds over here. There's one there. Let me cut a little further. There's some seeds, but not as many. See that red tomato back there? That's the grafted plant back there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this grafted tomato. And I'll mark it with a G. And we're going to keep the seeds from it. I like the way it tasted before. So I'll mark it with a G, and we'll continue to wait for them to ripen, the grafted plants. This is the final taping of the grafted plant experiment. So there's some babies on there. There's some ones turning. I already have one inside that's turning. So I'm going to get seeds off of it. But I got 3 there. Like 4 over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. And yep. So we're gonna, the next step is to grow out the seed and do grafts on, I got grafts started on Brandywine. I don't have them started, but I'm growing Brandywine and Cherokee Purple. More to come.